Today's Supreme Court decision came down right around 10:30 this morning Eastern Time, right about the time that Joe Seider, the president of the Idaho chapter of National Association of Social Workers, was in the middle of a national conference in D.C. So hearing the decision, Joe decided to join several other attendees in jumping on the metro and head down to the Supreme Court building. Their goal was to see what was happening and represent reproductive rights, they said, because as a social worker, they believe reproductive rights are human rights and health care is a right for everyone. Well, this afternoon, Joe Seiders joined us from the protest right in front of the Supreme Court and told us why they felt the need to be there.
My body, my choice. My body, my choice. My body, my choice.
People are not happy with the Supreme Court. They're calling out specific justices.
Is there anybody down there like on the other side of this?
Yes, there was. There was a few people, and they got nasty fast, and more enforcement started to show up. So yes, there was a few. Yeah, the vast majority of people were, are obviously here for body autonomy and to represent that they are not in agreement with what just happened today in any way, shape, or form.
In about 30 days from now, Idaho is going to look a lot different. I mean, standing outside and chanting outside the Supreme Court, when you get home, you're going to have to face reality, I guess, right? This is the new reality.
This is absolutely about health equity. This is about social justice. This is about human rights. This ruling has so much more implications than just Roe. Thomas made that clear in the other opinion release. This is about privacy. This is about body autonomy. This is going to affect a whole lot of people. And it's important that although they're in Idaho, the 30-day calendar started right now, that is not, we need to assure safe access. So I want to make clear that still for the next 30 days, abortion is legal and safe and accessible in the state of Idaho.
Well, just as a clarification, that's for the next 60 days, because 30 days from now, we expect a judgment from the U.S. Supreme Court. 30 days after that, Idaho's trigger law goes into effect. You're looking at a live look now. Those people are still out in front of the Supreme Court in D.C., hundreds of them standing outside protesting today's ruling.